How goes the fight? You bring honor to our clan. When you are ready, I will commune with the great Furies of the Throne of Elements. We answer your call. How may we serve?
A dark presence grows in the west. Gordog, the great earthen fury, has gone missing.
Without a fury of earth upon the throne, the elemental bonds that hold this world together weaken.
The balance has been disrupted. The elemental plateau has grown unstable and must be purged. If left imbalanced, the elements will rage across this valley, tearing all life asunder.
Your dog must be found and returned to the throne.
The fate of the elements rests in your hands.
Your will is understood. Gordog will be found and the balance restored.